My name is Guillermo Melendez, and I'm going to illustrate and describe to you guys the chemistry behind burnt sugar. Sugar is a widely used ingredient in many of our foods as it helps with that sweet flavor we all like. And now I'm going to begin by starting to introduce to you guys my materials. Alright guys, so my material is 1/4 cup of sugar. I have an aluminum pan, and I also have a gas stove, which I bought because the one I have at home is electric, and I think that you being able to see the flame will illustrate the experiment much better. Alright, before I start the experiment, I'm going to give you guys a little chemistry background behind sugar. Sugar is made of a C12H22O11, which means that it has 12 carbons, 22 hydrogens, and 11 oxygens, which makes this compound a carbohydrate. Now to begin the experiment, I'm going to turn the stove. I'm at the 1/4 cup of sugar. And you're going to start noticing that the sugar is going to start melting due to oxidation that the heat is causing, which is breaking apart the bonds and releasing energy. Now you can notice more of the sugar melting, and you can see a distinctive color around there. It was yellow and now it's turning more darker, and that's because ketones, aldehydes, and carboxylic acids are forming, which is caramelization. Is used in a lot of cooks use this, such as in plants. But as more heat is added, since this doesn't have water in it, it's gonna start evaporating and releasing a lot of that hydrogen out, which is gonna leave behind carbon. And you're gonna notice that when all this stuff is gonna be left over black, and that's just carbon by itself. You guys can see all that bubbling. That's all released energy from the H2O evaporates, separating away from the carbon and leaving behind just the carbon itself.